How to lock and unlock your region's bank debit card instantly. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to instantly lock or unlock your region's bank debit card using your desktop. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here once inside, you can just click on the search bar and simply search for Regions Bank. And now here on the search result, just click on the first link and after that you'll be prompted to the official website of the Regions Bank. Now here you can simply log in with your credentials and once logged in on the main dashboard, you can simply hit to the customer service or card service section and there you simply have to select debit card from the list and then you simply have to click on manage card controls and there you will see the option to lock or unlock your card. So simply toggle the switch and lock it if you want to block new transaction or unlock it if you want to use your card again. And the changes takes effect instantly, giving you the full control at any time. And that's all it takes. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.